When it gets hot, there are some places it's better to be than others. Across the country, temperatures ticked up through the 20s as the day went on, and in places tipped over 30 degrees. In Leicester's Abbey Park, while some craved the sun, many more were after shade.
For me, it's just like wearing the right kind of clothing, stay under the shade, bring a fan, just making sure that, you've got the right food with you, like a lolly.
We're from Texas in the United States, and it's very hot and humid there. So we actually come here partly to escape the heat, which to us this feels like the perfect temperature.
Do you worry much about the heat when it gets like this with the little one?
Yeah, because it can get sunstroke or it can be really poorly with it too much. And the other night she woke up in the night with it because it was too hot for her, even though we kept her cool, but it was too much for her.
Where are you going next?
The nut slide is a bit hot and it's a bit slide hot.
Not to the slide because the slide's a bit hot?
Yeah.
The warmer weather has triggered an amber heat alert for England. It's a signal to the NHS that the temperatures are likely to cause health problems in the population. That is expected to have significant impacts for those on the front line.
There are lots and lots of young children who are suffering with heat exhaustion who are presenting in general practice, and sometimes the overwhelming demand can't be supported by capacity.
As well as the young, the elderly and those with health conditions are the most at risk from the heat.
The older bodies, they don't adjust really well to the temperature like an younger body, and also the sense of thirst for someone who is older is reduced, and that puts them under risk for dehydration.
10 years ago I was somewhere where I sat outside and I got heat stroke. I was concentrating on other things and I didn't realise how hot I was getting. And I got double vision, but it gradually went away over the next week or so. But that was a warning.
Whether you endure or enjoy the hot weather, many of us are reaching for the best ways to keep cool as the first heat wave of summer has begun. Ellie Pitt, ITV News.